Okay, in this problem here, there's lots of times, so if we read this question, it's really important you understand this question. And so what happens is sometimes people want to get information from people who don't want to admit that they've done something, so like criminal activity. And this particular one's going to be about taking illegal drugs or not. And so what happens is one method that they do to estimate the proportion of a population, and granted, we know that's going to be an estimate, but it's a pretty good estimate when we're done. We're going to estimate the population. We'll never know how any specific individual responded to whether they've taken illegal drugs or not. So what happens here, the researchers take one of three cards at random, and they're told to do the card. So there's three cards. So imagine there are three cards here. Card 1, card 2, and card 3. Card 1, 2, and 3. If they choose card 1, then they say yes, no matter what. They aren't even told the question, they're just told to respond yes. If they get card 2, they're told to say no. If they get card 3, then they are asked to answer the question. If you've taken illegal drugs, say yes. If you haven't, say no. That's what option 3 is saying. And so we know that it's randomly done. So proportionally, if there's 60 people, we should get 20 people say yes. The yes card, we're going to have 20 people say no. And then we're going to have 20 people that are going to answer the question as if they've taken illegal drugs or not. And so if I have 24 out of 60 who answer yes, well, I know that 20 of them got this card here, right? Because that's our proportion. So it's 4 people who have said yes to this question here. So it's 4 out of 20. So I know that that is 1/5, which is 20%.